Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's learn this wonderful style. Stop tying your regular scarf like this. No, 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 no. You have a better way you can style it and it will look beautiful. Alright, so you see what is on my hand is your regular scarf. Fold it into two equal half. Then from the length, you start pleating it. Watch closely what I am doing. Wash my hand closely. You start pleating it from the length. Plait everything. Use your rubber band to hold it together. This is what you can use your regular scarf, your normal scarf to achieve beautiful turban head wrap, and it will look beautiful on you. You can use it on any English wear. Okay, so plaiting it, then stretch it out this way. You place it on your head. Watch closely what I am doing. Place it on your head. Take everything to the back and use your rubber band to hold it. Watch closely. It's very simple, very easy. Okay, so use your rubber band to hold it this way. Make sure it is very, very firm. Okay, so you're going to have another wonderful flower or rose. I don't know the name you want to give it at the back. Just stretch it out, arrange it. Okay, then coming to the front now, you can arrange it. Watch closely, arrange it very well. Look at how beautiful it is. Our head wrap is ready. If you like, you can use your hair accessories to decorate it in the middle. If you don't like, you can leave it. It's optional. Okay, then you see it now. You can decorate, arrange it very well, neatly. You can see the beautiful style that we have here. Then look at what the back, how the back look like. Okay, very easy, beautiful style. Okay, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and on Facebook, Demi Entertainment. So please, I would like to see you in my next video. I also use this opportunity to welcome all my new subscribers on YouTube, and the old ones, I welcome you as well. I really thank all of you. I appreciate you for being there. Alright, so you can shift it a little bit to the back, then this other side from the back, just tuck it in. Just tuck it in, and you have the back this way, and you have the flower or rose by the side. So it's beautiful, it's elegant. See you in my next video.